Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a group conversation in Google Chat. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to chat.google.com. Once the page loads, log in using your Google account credentials. This will give you access to all of Google Chat's messaging features and allow you to connect with multiple people at once. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll see a button labeled New Chat. Go ahead and click on it to begin creating your group conversation. This opens up the interface where you can select who you want to include in your group. Now, here's the key step that makes this a group conversation rather than a one-on-one chat. In the recipient field that appears, you need to input multiple email addresses or people's names. Start typing the first person's email or name, and Google Chat will suggest contacts from your list. Select the first person, then continue adding more people by typing additional email addresses or names. You can add as many people as you need for your group conversation, making it perfect for team discussions, project coordination, or any collaborative communication. Once you've added all the people you want to include in the group, click the Start Chat button. This action creates your group conversation and sets everything up so you can begin messaging everyone at once. At this point, your group is created and ready to use. To send your first message, simply type your text in the message field at the bottom of the screen. Once you've written your message, click the send icon to deliver it to all group members. Now, here's something important to note. You might see empty group displayed initially, and that's completely normal. This appears because the people you've invited need to accept the invitation to join the group conversation first. Once they accept, they'll be able to see all messages and participate in the conversation. Until then, your messages will be waiting for them once they join. And that's it. You've successfully created a group conversation in Google Chat and sent your first message. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.